is, remember the center line of gravity, right? Center line of gravity is this imaginary line that goes through the center of the body. In a figure like this, the center line of gravity, it would be visible like a line like this. It goes through the center of the body and exit at the perineus, and then it falls in between your feet here, right? From the side view, the center line of gravity is from the highest point of the body here, right? And then it goes through the body behind the jawline to the front of the head of the humerus, cuts into the trochanter, and then emerges at the level just below the knee, but it's inside the body, right? It's inside the body. When we look at the model, we cannot see through the body. So what we do, we project the center line of gravity either here, outside the body, at the jugular fossa, or at the bump here of the seventh cervical, at the base of the neck, or seventh cervical. And we drop it down like this, which means that, when we look at this figure here, instead of, I don't worry about the head anymore, because the head is turning, etc., etc. So instead of dropping the center line of gravity from here, I project it outside from here, because the rib cage, if you want, it's probably the biggest, actually, is the biggest mass, is the biggest volume in the body, and it's dominant. If the rib cage moves, everything has to adjust to that. So the center line of gravity would be going through the center here or the base of the neck. I don't see that, so I project it out here. From here, what I do, I drop it down in my model, right? I line up the pencil in my model like this, and then see where this line goes through the body, or this the plumb line, right? I see this and I say, okay, look at that. It goes to the left of the sternum. It goes halfway the width of the costal arch here, and it goes right next to the pubic bone, right? Right next to the pubic bone. It's tangent to the back of the thigh, cuts a little slice of the calf, and then cuts into the heel, and then it falls down like that. I know that, and now I'm going to outline my puppet based on that line here that I see in the model. So I can work with the various methods to create